Good morning, everyone. It is April 5th. We just celebrated Easter this weekend, enjoyed a lot of family, a lot of love. Kids got too much chocolate that I'm going to probably end up eating. But I thought I would take you along on my day as a stay-at-home mom. Show you what, excuse me, show you what I do in a day. Today I did sleep in until 7:30, I think. But rather than that, now I'm just cleaning my kitchen. And then I'm going to wait for my daughter to wake up. My son is awake already, eating breakfast. And then once she wakes up, we will cuddle a little bit, eat some breakfast, and then probably head outside. Enjoy. Since I started that, I'd be real and raw. So here's the before of what I'm starting with cleaning for my morning.
She just jumped inside, stuck a gun in my chest and told me to drive. I was scared, but she was beautiful, like a movie. She kept looking back like something was coming. Said we ain't slowing down, ain't stopping for nothing. My truck was shaking, my blood was pumping, but she was laughing. I about hit the brakes when we came around the corner. A mile of blue lights, guns aimed and pointed. Whatever she had is what they wanted, and it's all a little fuzzy after that. All I remember is sirens, blue lights flashing and driving, dirt lane passing and flying, tearing through the red.
These are the trees we got cut down. Now we are slowly taking the branches down and burning them, slow but steady. So we're outside. I opened the chicken coop, found 7 eggs, which is super exciting. Burning our trees we took down. I'm burning all the branches because they're nothing. Watering cows. Trying to water cows. Horses are a little grumpy, so that's always great. Watering horses, cows. We're pushing the trough. So we'll fix that. Watering them. We got some hay in there. And then over here somewhere, the guineas are mad at me. My kids are down there chasing frogs or something that jumped in the trees. So that's what I'm doing today so far. So now that I stopped for a coffee break and I put Joseph to sleep, I have Gunner washing her stroller because it's super dusty from being in the box of my truck and my topper not shining right. And I'm going to clean off my back deck. So, sorry if the wind's blowing super bad, but here is my before. There's nothing really. I guess I'll move those and that. But that is what I'm doing at this moment. It's not super dirty, but let's get it done.
How she cleaned up the bank. She was armed and dangerous and almost got away, but they found her. She was cussing the choppers, they were swirling around, reloading her revolver every couple of rounds. Shot off a couple shots, but they wouldn't back down. All I remember is sirens, blue lights flashing and driving, dirt lane passing and flying, tearing through the red lights, blowing through the stop signs. All I remember is sirens, ringing from the gunshots firing, one curve away from dying. Really all I remember is
And here's the cleaned off deck. The only thing is, I'm drying some diapers. It's got stains. Hoping we get the power washer going. And then I can power wash it, sand it a little, and clear coat it. Much better. So it's now 6:30. My husband just got home, which is the earliest he's been home in forever. So I'm going to count that as a day in my life. I was really bad and forgot to video a lot of it. But I'll just recap what I did. I cleaned my kitchen, which there's the before and the afters. Cleaned my living room. I did the befores and the afters. We cleaned the front deck, the back deck. Burnt a bunch of branches from the trees we cut down. Collected eggs. Joseph slept for 3.5 hours. And now my last thing I'm going to count is what I do before Josh gets home is go give Ducky, that's my colt, her feed. And then this evening, I think Josh is working on the double-decker quail coop he has done. So I will video that as I walk by there. Joseph is playing in the back. I think he's washing my stroller that his sister already washed. But other than that, we're just going to have a good outside night and enjoy this weather we have in April.
The man on the radio reported the chase and all about the beauty, how she cleaned at the bank. She was armed and dangerous and almost got away, but they found her. She was cussing the choppers, they were swirling around, reloading her revolver every couple of rounds. Shot off a couple shots, but they wouldn't back down. All I remember is sirens, blue lights flashing and driving, dirt lane passing and flying, tearing through the red lights, blowing through the stop signs. All I remember is sirens, ringing from the gunshots firing, one curve away from dying.
Come here. Hi, Joseph. Do you want to pet her? Is this Ducky? You got wet? Sorry, baby.